Nice. Hey everyone, how's it going? I didn't. Oops. Sees. Oopsies. I had a oopsies. Online. Nice stuff. What we're doing here? Yeah. Sweet. We're gonna upgrade all the things, right? Yay, upgrades. Yay. 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 Nice. Somebody's already watching the stream. How's it going, to whoever's out there in internet land? Let's get a visibility stack going for console telemetry. Try to be able to get some visualization and dashboarding for that time series. Yeah. Hey, Big Meg, how you doing, man? Sorry I missed your call a minute ago. I'm working on this work project thing. Oh. Yeah, man. Oof. Oh, well. Mhm. Take a minute. I am it indeed, Bing. Sometimes things get pissy. I do not know that film actually. Fuck. Oh yeah. Tell me about it, Bing. Oh, I really, I don't have much time for movies these days. Oh, Pat, that sucked. Yes, you did, man. Thank you for that. I've even been smoking analog cigarettes lately. Uh, fuck. So that's error. You must be logged into the server unauthorized. So, for that. Oh, tap, tap. Kubernetes admin conf manifests. Oh, over there. Christ. Phew. I don't want to work for it. I think that's what I did, right? Oh, cube config, huh? Oof. Oof. Hey, Meg, how's it going, man? So, what I'm doing right now is, this is my workstation near my local computer, and I'm setting up a orchestration engine called Kubernetes, um, on my local computer, so I could have a development environment to try to spin some stuff up to um, be able to collect data, like generate traffic and collect data from that. Like, something that, like, what I do, like I'm a they call it like DevOps or whatever, right? Where you're kind of like a blend between, developers that make software and operations people that just run infrastructure, where you kind of have to know a little bit of both. And so what I'm doing here is setting up a Kubernetes cluster that I could then use to launch, like, basically imagine them as like recipe books or playbooks or whatever. So I don't have to like go and like download the software and edit configuration files or whatever. It just spins it up just like according to the recipe or manifest. It's called a Helm chart, right? Uh, uh, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I need to get this all figured out before people are showing up to work on the East Coast, which gives a few hours. 6 4 3. Cool. So, um, uh, um, oh yeah, dude. Like, it's so hard for me to explain what I do and the stupid amount of money I make. And I'm like, for how many years I've been doing tech, I make like, you know, hardly any money compared to most people who've been doing this as long as I have. And I don't even care, man, because like it's not even about that for me. It's I'm always learning, always got stuff I could do. I'm working in a place with like really cool and nice people, you know. See, there we go. So that little command that I have right there, if you're seeing on your phone, because before I wasn't able to connect to the Kubernetes cluster, but now that I figured out where the configuration thing was at and the secrets that it automatically generates as part of that installation, I'm able to connect to it. Now I got to go back to so Consul right here is the like I work at HashiCorp, right? And Consul is the product that I work on as a support engineer. So like, we make this product. It's an open source product, so anybody could use it for like free, you know. But larger organizations that want to make sure that if it breaks, they have somebody they can call to help them out with it. They'll get what's called like a service agreement or a support entitlement, right? And so then they pay a certain amount of money per year to the company that I work at, and then they pay my salary to be the person who answers those questions when they have problems and help them fix the problems that they have with their solutions. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't even know if I have that. Install console with the official. Oh, I wanted to be asleep by like 9 or 10, man. I didn't sleep last night, so this is gonna be day 3 for me. It's just that I got hit with something right at the end of the day, emergency with a client trying to help out with. Hey, man, it happens. It's kind of our life, you know. Okay. Oh, console space, space. Oof. All right. Let's Okay, yeah, it's just the output there. I've been having this thing where, like, in my house, I have this, like, commercial, like, enterprise type fire alarm system. I set it off with my vape all the time and wake or wife get up. Like, nah, like it is like like louder than like the fire alarm at school or like a big commercial. But it's stupid. You see the many options values, YAML. Whoa, oof, oof, whoa. Let's, did I? Oh, did I kill it? Oh, it just. Oh, oof, oof, oof. Oof, oof. Oh, really? think I might have screwed up my password manager. I have to get password resets for all this crap. Christ. I'm gonna wake up my mom. She's asleep. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. Oof. Maybe I need to. So, I mean, we did the home thing. Hmm. That's sworn I did that. Like, thank you for installing HashiCorp Console. Home search repo HashiCorp Console. Hmm. Console. Boy, version 1. Release name console. Well, I know it sounds loud on the stream, but I can't break. I mean, I could break the keyboard if I wanted to, but the reason it's so loud is because it's a HyperX with Cherry MX Blue switches, which are like, and they're mechanical switches, not optical switches. So that's like the loudest clacky mechanical out there. Reminds me of those old 1980s IBM. Oof. Man. Probe story. Core customer. Yeah. Oof. Huh. sandwich, nap, and a sandwich. Wait, I think I have snacks up here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So, it's like all rancher stuff. K3s. I know the rancher makes k8s. Where's the for token? URL. Yes. I'm indeed. See you later, Space Cowboy. Yes, I am that new at Kubernetes. So. F or B for B7J. Oof. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Mhm. Mhm. Phew. Okay, so I guess there's I guess right now. I think I need to do a home chart install. That's oh, what's the difference between Hippo and Zippo? I don't know. Um, please started. Money. Yeah, 185 is to 8500. Okay, so let's see. Oof! Oof! We are such consulians right now. We're just out here getting it, man. Just getting it. But oh, no cluster leader. Huh? That's no good. That's a bad thing. But hey, I mean, we're trying to. Oof, maybe it's because uh, config YAML or the default settings. Where does that config YAML go? Oh, I use config YAML. Ha. It's ah, oof. Uh, so, enabled. Oh. Oh man, I got beat up. Oh. Lemons are twice as expensive this year. Inflation. true. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a, yeah. Woof, woof. Oh, oh. Mm-hmm. Ah. Uh, really? What? Ooh. Oof. Apple sandwich. Yeah, apple sandwich. Mm-hmm. Son of a bitch. Oh, refresh k3s. Let's Oof. Oh, fuck. What the hell is this whole thing, dude? Oh, let me get the voice chat here. Turn on the desktop audio. Lounge. The DevOps Lounge. Oof. Here I am. Ah.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing? Hey, how you feeling this morning, man? What's up?
Yeah, I'm doing okay. It's just early.
It is indeed early. It's what over there 7ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is day 3 for me at this point. I was planning on going to bed last night at like 8 or 9 and just like laying around and watching TV until I fell asleep. And then account team for a particularly large Fortune 100-ish client hit me with this thing because I was the first one to get one of their cases, and that late in the day in PST, there's no but like almost my whole team is EST and Central. I'm obviously like a new guy, so it's not like I'm about to tell the customer success team no. So I'm just trying to pull a rabbit out of my hat, man. You know? And I don't even feel bad about it because this is the first time that's happened in like 4.5 months, so it's probably not like an all the time thing.
Yeah, it's pretty fair. Okay.
Yeah.
You're all right.
Yeah. I know that freaking Discord is particularly bad about like artifacts and everything. You want me to spin up a Zoom or do you want me to stream in the casual here?
Zoom is probably safer if it's going to be any customer data.
It's not any customer. Well, I mean, there will like. So I don't know if you saw my whole description yesterday, but this particular customer, when the first step one happened, the findings were collect telemetry because they didn't have any telemetry and they didn't have any syslog or anything, just nothing. And they want us to perform an RCA, and it's like, yeah, well, you know,
with what?
Yeah, with what? Like, I mean, there's literally nothing that you have, and so here's a whole bunch of information about how to collect telemetry. And now it's at the point, and I think this whole thing started because they had like almost all of their critical staff all kind of leave at the same time.
Oof.
So the new generation of people does not know the Hashi stack. They do not really know Kubernetes. They don't know all these stuff. So it's just a thing. And when we said, hey, you need to have visibility and collect these APM metrics and data and everything for us to be able to more accurately determine things if you have a service incident or degradation or whatever. And so now they want us to one, set up all of their environment for Splunk, and two, they want us to they were not comfortable pointing their console deployment at their existing Splunk deployment because they thought that it would break it. So they whipped together a bash script to get a flat file of the telemetry information that, in the sense of time series data, probably isn't even like 2 or 3 megabytes, which you and I know is not even going to get me a little squiggle on a chart. But
Probably not.
but I can,
yeah.
Yeah, I mean, and the thing is that this whole thing is just a demonstration of like absolute best faith effort, even though you're giving us nothing, bro. You're giving us nothing. You are not following any of our suggestions. You're not listening to us. You're not doing the things that we as the vendor say you need to do to have a successful deployment. And then you're mad at us, and then you give us like this, like not even a bone, like a freaking like a pigeon's feather. And, I tried to make a hat out of it, and the hat kind of looks like shit because I didn't have a whole bunch of feathers, you know.
Yeah.
And you know, it's probably the sort of thing that if my boss was not on paternity leave and I was a little more established and I wasn't like the person who got hit up for this whole thing, I might have pushed back, but I'm not there. So, say maybe. So I think I caught you up on all the background. I'll spin up a zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yeah, so yeah, I mean wherever you need, I guess, or wherever makes sense.
Yeah, fam. I'll just drop this in PM. Oh, that's not it.
No, that's not it.
I'm also streaming this on Twitch and YouTube, Facebook, and fucking Twitter. Twitter lets you stream.
Is there? Okay.
Huh? Oh,
Okay.
I'm not gonna have any of the proprietary stuff on the stream. By the time, what I'm doing with this whole thing is I just installed K3. This is the farthest I've gotten with Kubernetes. Is I installed K3s, and I have Consul Helm chart installed on there, and I just populated values YAML, and I've gotten farther with Kubernetes with K3s than like weeks of dorking around with freaking EKS because I'm an idiot. But you know, when the fire's under your backside, you kind of get cracking.
Yeah. Wait. Hang on. Sorry, you there?
I am here.
What happened to my audio?
Ugh. Yeah, it says you're on your cell phone now, in the sense of
Well, I have been. All right, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay. Yeah, the audio did something wacky.
Wacky.
Um. Yeah.
Ugh.
Oh. Where are you streaming the video? Is that just on Zoom?
Yeah, it's just on Zoom.
All right. Yeah. Give me a sec. Pull that up. You DM'd that to me, right?
I did.
All right. Cool. All right. Yeah. Let me
It
drop
goes down in the DM. Snapchat me that pussy,
that.
bro. Snapchat me that pussy if it's uncool.
You know what? Actually, let me actually give up. I'll go up to my computer because then I can actually see the screen. All right. Give me about 2 minutes, 3 minutes here.
Wouldn't want to be them.
All right.
It go down. It go down in the DM. It go down. Disk. Standard resource type. What does that even?
Yeah, all right.
Oof. Hey, that tie looks pretty good, man.
You're doing stream chat. Hang on, let me switch over.
You got like a Donald Trump thing going on, man. Big old red tie. Oof.
All right, there we go. Okay. What are you looking at?
Huh?
So what are you looking at?
I'm trying to figure out why my deploy figured out. Did I typo something here? Let's talk about disk.
Do you have? I actually don't know that I knew disk was a limit.
Those are just limits. So like, I could remove those. I'm doing something wrong.
What do you? I guess what file is?
Oh wait, so that's 8. Oh wait, what? This is a values YAML for the Helm chart.
The Helm chart. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so you got the Helm chart. Okay.
And what it's spitting out here is aggro. Like if
yeah, so Helm.
It's just stupid. It's a different thing. What is it? But I think I might have it on the clipboard. Let's try it. No. Oops. Oof.
All right, so don't. So hang on. Just paste that in, but then
I'm not gonna enter because like I don't want to have that constraint of that version there, and it's also
no, for sure.
So.
So the other thing you should do is instead of Helm install, do Helm template.
Like that?
Yep, and then at the end of all of that, actually, yeah, hit enter now. Okay, so that rendered. So now pipe that.
What do you mean pipe it?
Hit up. Space pipe space. And then you can do kubectl apply. You actually have to type kubectl because it's pipe.
Oh yeah, because it's pipe. Yeah, oops.
Or I think you need to.
Yeah, you're right.
Apply,
you're right.
And then do -f, or sorry, actually, -- dry -run, equal client.
Oh, nope, so no space.
Nope, no space. Equal client, and then -f space dash. Yep, just like that. And now what it'll do is you can scroll up through this, and you can validate if all the resources that it wants to create are actually valid or not. If there is anything invalid, yeah. So I would just do clear, and then rerun that. Yep. And now if you scroll up, you'll be able to see if anything actually, you're going to get some warnings. That's fine. But if everything actually renders out correctly, you won't get any errors here.
Okay, I think I'm going to want to save that shit right there, right?
Yeah. So instead of kubes, that command,
Yeah,
that
that
command is
command.
really useful. Yeah,
Yeah,
and then the other thing you can do, if you do have your kubectl set up correctly, you can also do dry run equals server, and it will run all of everything against the server API.
Oh, dope. 1 moment, I'm gonna have to hit my Confluence page.
Yeah, no worries. Also, real talk, I might really need to take a shit here.
Oh, dude, go ahead and take a shit. I mean, like, I woke you up out of bed when you're just checking your notifications.
Nah, man, I mean, you didn't wake me up. I was already fucking up.
I'm going to buy you the fanciest fucking coffee you've ever had in your life. It's anaerobic fermentation. Have you heard me rant about that yet?
About what?
So like we have a browser over here, right?
Well, yeah, here.
No, just wait. Check it. You're gonna go poop, but I need you to check this out, right? I'll send it to you on the thing so you can have it as a notification. This Village Horo things. I want you to read this anaerobic fermentation crap while you're on the crapper.
Oh, okay.
About the distinguishing the difference in your cup.
Huh. All right. Yeah, here. I'll be back in 2 seconds.
Move.
Or, well, a couple of minutes.
Ah.
Hey, I'm back.
Oof, nice. Nice.
All
I
right.
think I just got it. I still was pissed off about the disk thing. I just removed it from the values file and it seems to have done a thing. Does it show? What the fuck? How do I show that? What do I do now?
Okay, oh, what do you, oh, you're trying. Oh, you have to do k-get deployments.
Okay,
It's-
get. Ha!
Yeah, it's not show.
I'll figure it out eventually, man. Yep.
And then you have to specify a namespace.
Oh, and then would that be
tag
dash N?
Yep. Yeah, and you should be able to tab complete as well.
Oof. Even with it being K instead of kubectl.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, if you do k-get dep, hit tab. Okay.
No love, but you're probably a
to...
fancy ZSH guy, and I'm a fucking old Bash flamer.
That's fine. There's actually, if you're running Bash 5.0 or later, there's actually auto completion components for Bash as well.
Probably just like
I mean, yeah, you should do that later, but
that's what it used to be in FreeBSD, but
that's that's what it is. Hang on.
I just got it, so big bow. And so now let's see if we can get that. Let's say K get TP. Oh,
well, I mean, hang on, Phil, hang on. You still need to set something up, so let me send you a link. Like, it doesn't magically work. You still have to do something.
I'm sorry, I have not slept in like 2 days.
I can tell.
But hey, I'm at least in good spirits, you know?
Yeah, man. You should try to get some sleep, though.
I'm definitely going to. As soon as I if I can pull something out of this whole thing, I'm gonna be like, yeah, I'm going to bed.
I sent you the link.
Oh, yeah. I think that sources from Ashes to your profile.
Well, yeah, but don't do that yet. So check out.
Check out the link. Check out the link. Be patient. Stop being squirrely.
Yeah, it's because I got about it's 7:30. Yeah, I got about 15 minutes before I gotta go take a shower and start getting ready.
Gotcha, fam.
But yeah, the yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do all that later. I probably should take advantage of 15 minutes while we have it.
Yeah, man.
So now I have console up. There was a thing on here. I think it was about. It wasn't that one.
So you're installing Splunk Open Telemetry, or trying to?
Not yet. I'm right now. I'm trying to get the console cluster up and put a test workload on it so I can generate my own telemetry for.
Okay. Understood. Okay.
And that's right here. This layer 7 observability thing, or was it this one?
Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay. So here we go. So here's There we go. Learn console Kubernetes.
So yeah, you got it installed. Okay. Yeah, so so run that command, that kubectl get pods. I would make that bigger. You're gonna very much want that bigger. Okay, so okay. All right, so hang on. Yeah, so you have a few things in pending state. The only thing that's running is the console webhook cert manager and console. Nope, actually. Yeah, console server ACL. Okay, so why are the other things not running? So what you can do here is let's look at pending on console server 1. So do k describe pod tac n console, and then console -server -1 dash, not dot. Okay, and we get there, failed scheduling, 0, 1 are available, pods didn't match anti-affinity rules. So, okay. So, all right, so just hit up, and then do k, instead of k describe, just change describe to get. And then once you do that, to hit Control E to jump to the end, and then space -o YAML. You can either put a space or not; it doesn't matter.
Like that?
Yep. And that's going to output the actual YAML for the pod itself. You can also do the same thing for deployments or any resource. So if you ever want to grab
Oof,
the
I'm
exact
gonna have to
version
save
out,
that, man. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
yeah. Yeah, k-get taco YAML is your friend when you want to pull full manifests back out of Kubernetes.
Mm-hmm.
So we could look at the affinity. So if we scroll up, there should be a section for affinity settings or node selectors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hang on.
Pod anti-affinity node selector.
Yeah, so yeah, match label. Required during, yeah, and so that's a pretty normal one. Required during scheduling, ignored during execution. The label selector match labels. Okay, so you label selector. Yes, I'm kind of wondering if you have to label your node. Can you do k-get nodes?
I need
Do that. No. Do k-get node taco YAML. Or taco wide, sorry. Yeah, wide, not YAML, my bad.
I put Y there and it errored.
No, wide. W-I-D-E.
Oh, W-I-D-E, okay.
Sorry. Can you do k-get node? Do k-get node. Can you the p hawking tac ws? Taco YAML. Yeah. When I was saying you don't technically need, like, you don't actually have to put a space between taco and YAML. So
No, I know. Whenever you
yeah.
have single arguments, you never have to. I just like to do it because
All right. And then scroll up to where the node labels are. All right, labels. So I think what it's looking for, and then hit just hit up a few times, so you see how all those labels are there.
Oh, so that. Oof.
Yeah, no, all good. No, all good. Hit up a few more times. It's gonna jump you to the bottom. That's fine. Keep going. One more. Yeah, that one. So if you scroll up to the node affinity in this section, or the node anti-affinity, or where the fuck it was. Yeah, so there. So I'm kind of wondering. Trying to remember how the fuck that works out. Oh, it's an anti-affinity. Yeah, so is it saying it doesn't want to run on the same node? Fuck, I don't remember this.
I am unsure, man.
So, fuck. Yeah, I don't know enough about not Kubernetes.
Consul.
Yeah, Consul, but at the same time, you should spec affinity, pod anti-affinity. Hang on, let me move roles. What is up? Hey Nadal. Hey Phil. What's the role that something needs to be? Trusted, casual.
Trusted.
Okay.
Ugh.
All right. Oh, hey Nadal. Looks like you're. Are you still muted on the server, or are you just muted locally?
They're not server muted, so they just don't know how to unmute Discord.
Oh yeah. If you're behind a firewall and you have no RTC connection. All right. Well, that sucks. Console. What the fuck was I googling? Sorry, hang on. Console. The fuck is it called?
Affinity or anti-affinity?
Yeah, there was a specific thing I was looking for. Fuck. Yeah, hang on. Console single node. I'm wondering. Consul single node k3s. Hang on. I'm wondering if it's going to give you any shit because it's just a single node. It shouldn't.
It's not a single node. It's 3, and it seems to have auto configured. This is the official Hashi Helm chart with values that's on our learn page. It should come up.
Hang on. You're talking about 3 console instances, but I'm talking about Kubernetes.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, all good. Step by step, this collection includes caveats for single deployed to Kubernetes, single node deployments. Hang on.
I mean, I have so many resources. I could make more nodes in my Kubernetes deal. I don't know how to do that, but like, I mean, I have plenty of hardware
I got
to do
you.
it.
Yeah, no, I got you. The big thing with the big thing is I distinctly remember this, like looking at this a while ago, where like specifically with Consul, there were caveats on running a single node cluster, and you can't scale everything up correctly because it just doesn't work. Okay, yeah, turn off replica 3. Okay, yeah, that's part of the problem. I think you're only going to want replica 1, not replica.
Where is replica at?
That is going to be in the values file. So in server. So yeah, can you pull up?
Oof. So
Yeah.
If I cat the values.
So yeah, so you have server replicas 3, so you're gonna want server replicas 1.
Server replicas 1. Okay, cool.
Yep, and then you're gonna want to reinstall with the updated values of the Helm.
And that was install. So one. Oof.
Yeah.
So it's a template. I can just do install, right? And then
I
had to change the thing on the end.
Just take off everything on the end.
Can I reuse a name? Assholes.
Oh no! It's fine. Here, hit. Okay.
Just get rid of the create namespace because the namespace is already there.
No. Hang on.
Okay, yeah.
You're jumping really fast. Okay, take off everything. Or take off kubectl apply tac f tac. So delete the last 4 things. Yep, and the pipe, and then Control A to jump to the beginning.
Oh wow. Yeah.
And then after Helm install, add tac upgrade. Yep. Oh, Helm install. Or maybe it's the other way around. Maybe it's Helm upgrade -- install. I get that mixed up every time. I think it's Helm upgrade -- install. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, so it didn't like that, but job batch is invalid.
Well, it's saying it can't patch the server accolade in because it already has ACLs in place. Should I just delete it, just re-instantiate it, or it'll lose anything?
I mean, if you haven't gotten it stood up yet, I don't know.
It's not, yeah. So how do I kill it with fire? And
easy way could be do that Helm.
Oh wait, can I just delete namespace or whatever?
Yes, but do not do that. It's a really dangerous task.
So I'm not trying to be like Stark here. What's dangerous about it? Like, what does that do? It's bad.
If you try to delete the namespace, it's going to try to go through and delete everything else automatically, right? It's smart enough to try to do that. A lot of the time, it will
but the
fail.
only things on the console namespace were the things that were instantiated by the console helm chart, right?
Right. The problem is not all of them are native Kubernetes resources. It installs a bunch of custom resource definitions, or CRDs, right? And with all of those CRDs, they do not delete cleanly. Like, more often than not. So if you just try to delete the namespace, you can end up in some really weird states where your namespace is just fucked, and now you can't reuse it until you actually fix it. So I would not recommend doing that.
I will. So the fact that I did it earlier, I might be in trouble.
No, like sometimes it will work, but a lot of the time it won't.
Okay, cool. Well, I will just put that on the list of things not to do.
Yeah, like if you want to delete a namespace, you should by hand or through automation delete all the other resources and CRDs first. I have a couple of like sort of nuke scripts that I have somewhere that I could shoot over to you later, but yeah.
Nice.
All right. Anyway, so what do we do in this case? You can't get rid of the batch job, so we could just delete that one batch job. So do a k delete or k. Yeah, k delete job. Tack end console.
And then just match to that console-server-acl init.
Yep. Try that. Okay, and just up. And try that again. And if there's something else, delete it. That's fine. Oh, actually. Oh, yeah, okay, delete that console server ACL init cleanup as well. Yep, no, init dash cleanup. Yep.
I'm just that blind.
Dude, all good. You might. I guess we'll find out if the other thing.
I have a good feeling about this one. Oof. Yes.
Yes, queen.
Yes, queen.
Yeah, man.
Oh, King, that sex was so poggers. Can we please go back to telling me all about the Skyrim lore now?
Fucking no.
Cool. So that's like a thing, I think. So what was it? I do k get pods -n console or. Oof. That looks promising.
That looks a little better. How about that?
Yeah, geez, man. That's almost like fucking actually like working, man.
Oh yeah, that bad. Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, actually, no. Everything is running. Yeah, you have nothing that's in a pending state. So yeah, you're actually operational.
Heck yeah, man.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about though. With when you're talking about single node clusters, like console gets real weird, and so learning console on a single node cluster is a little bit different than you would normally learn it.
So, well, I mean, you see there how it has a console server 0.
Yep.
Oof.
Yeah, before you hit 0, 1, and 2, and you can't run. So the node anti-affinity that we were looking at before, what that's saying is if there are these labels on any pods on the same node, don't fucking run it here, which is why all your other shit was in a pending state and you had 3 times the number of things, because ideally you have console running on multiple Kubernetes nodes, so not all 3 replicas on one node, because you're not more available, you're just burning more resources in that case.
Well, I didn't know that was what we were doing. You can't really run console without having 3 nodes to have RAF consensus. So and I'm also going to need to have those 3 nodes in order to spin it, because the test suite thing that's this thing here that I'm going to use to
Right.
generate the telemetry is this demo application here. It has like a GraphQL product. It's gonna have to spin out a bunch of sidecars and create a bunch of connections and shit to make cups. A Packer spice latte. And so I need to do that to like.
That's still fine. I don't think that I don't think running all of that on a single node will break anything. I think that will still work just fine.
But you see, when we look at there's only one Consul instance.
That doesn't matter though.
Oh, it does matter. It matters a lot, because then there can't be like, RAF consensus, leader elections. You don't run Consul on a single node thing, even when you're like kicking the tires. You just don't do it.
Well, I mean, you do though, because it's in the docs on HashiCorp's website.
Well,
they recommend it.
There never would be a point in time where you're running a single node cluster, except if you're just trying to like get familiar with like Consul commands, but you wouldn't do it for an actual deployment. Sense.
Okay. Well,
I think I could figure out the remainder of this. You gave me so many things. I'm probably gonna have to spend like 30-40 minutes writing all that shit on a conference page, all those little commands.
Got it. Yeah, so okay, in that case, then the other limitation you're going to run into here is you need to spin up more nodes.
Yeah, how do I do that? Do I just Google spin up more nodes, Kubernetes, or K3s?
Are you running K3s locally, or where
locally on my, and I like freaking my freaking 11 Gen i9 with 16 threads.
Okay.
HTOP is like, oh wow, we're
yeah, no. I see that. I don't know how you would run multiple Kubernetes. I don't think you can run multiple Kubernetes nodes on a single host. You need to have virtualization.
Okay, I can make that happen.
Because the issue is you can't run them all on the same host by default, at least, because I guess could you run them in different no, I wouldn't do that. I would do virtualization. That's going to be the way to go.
Right. Would you believe that I already have my old workstation, that Xeon Gold, old workstation. I told you I have all the VMware user group. I have licenses for every VMware product, so I can put SXI and vSphere on there. And
if you're gonna do that, that's how I would go about that.
I don't have time to do that before these East Coast people are like, "What the heck is up with your status update, Philip?" But I told them it was best effort. I pulled it all nighter. If they're mad, they're mad. I was working this whole time trying to pull it off, and I might even still have it figured out by the time that they have their actual meeting with the manager and then the meeting with the client. I might have it figured out.
I'm really not being funny, but even without all the leader election stuff, is that gonna?
I won't be able to generate enough telemetry traffic with a single node. Only being able to spin as many sidecars as it can with its service definitions without having all the other Packer jobs that are run on the other. Like, it makes it more exponential in the sense, like, trying to like tax the resources on my machine to generate bogus telemetry just so I could populate a fucking time series database and try to do their job for them, in the sense of fucking, like, I got a Splunk account. I got this whole thing about fucking all these. If I can't get it going with Splunk, I could do it with Grafana, and I have that Grafana Terraform project of mine from like 7-8 months ago that just still is idempotent and works great. And I can spin it up real quick. So
I would still give it a shot on a single node. I think like, I understand what you're saying. with the exponential data. But I don't know. Personally, I would very much still try to get it going on a single node.
Okay.
I think it's still going to generate logs. It's still going to generate metrics. It's not going to generate as much, I agree,
Right.
but you'll be able to show the exact same, hey, this times, times 2 or times 3 times the number of nodes, whatever. You'll still get the point across, and that sounds like what you're ultimately trying to do.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't. I mean, this is all proof of concept and all.
Yeah, and this was all done on no
Yeah,
sleep
so-
because I was the last person that they talked to with the least amount of experience that was willing
Yeah,
to
so-
fucking.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, my guy.
I'm not gonna get in trouble. I just you know how it is when you kind of want to pull a rabbit out of your hat, even though you don't think you're gonna be able to.
Yeah, and that's exactly why I'm saying just keep going on the single node. I think you're still going to be in a good position.
Shit, yeah, dude. I will take your advice and I will do exactly that. But I think you were late for getting in the shower and getting ready for your big fancy job.
Well, yeah, that's
maybe you could go without a shower today, dude. Do you think your wife would mind?
Well, she's not home for the foreseeable future.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, she's fucking out in LA,
dude. Like I when my wife's here, I literally just like shower twice a week, man. When I start to smell myself and bother myself, then I'm like, I gotta get a shower.
Oh yeah, no, I have to shower every day. I am very.
Oh, because I spent like the 5-ish years homeless, having like maybe like 200 showers in those 5 years. I fucking every day when I showed up to the office, I would shower sometimes 3 times a day, because I was like interacting with other people, right? But when I'm just like me, myself, and I, my little fucking office cave would just be not even leaving my house and just being like a troll who fucking gets Uber Eats at the door and like doesn't go anywhere. I don't fucking care. I mean, I'll brush my teeth, but like I don't shower every day,
Yeah. I'm real weird about it, but yeah, I get it.
We all got our things, man.
Yeah. All right.
Peace out, Girl Scout. See you later, perpetrator.
I love that one. All right.
Thanks, man. I really super appreciate it. You're so helpful.
Yeah, for sure, man.
And PM me your address so I can send you that fancy $40 fucking 12-ounce bag of coffee.
I mean, I will, but you also don't. You super.
I know I don't have to, but I'm going to because you went out of your way for me at fucking 7 o'clock in the morning to help me with a stupid thing, and I want to demonstrate my appreciation for that because it's not like I want to just fucking like ask people for things without doing something nice for me.
Well, I fucking appreciate you.
Fuck yeah, you did.
I will send you the address, but I'm absolutely real. Like, you don't need to.
I already. So you remember Dave, that came from the Tech Talk thing. I already sent him a bag of it too, dude, because I was just hanging out with fucking Dave, and I was like, dude, and he was talking about how he had a Hardio V60, but he had this old fucking shitty grinder, and I was like, you gotta promise me, man, that you'll get yourself like a Baratza, Encore or whatever, like $120. It's just like a KitchenAid. You buy it one fucking time, and then I will send you this $40 bag of 12-ounce fucking coffee. And if you already know how to do the Hardio and do it right, it'll be the best fucking cup of coffee of your life. And I just want you to experience that on your lips and in your mouth.
Yeah, fair enough.
And I don't know if you have any manual brew method stuff, like if you got like a freaking AeroPress or
I have a fucking coffee, not the fucking AeroPress. What do you call it? It's just the one you soak all the bean juice and then you push it down.
Okay, you're also going to get a Hario. It's on your way too. It's not a lot.
Well, all right, yes, I mean
it's like $10 for the acrylic dripper and like the $8 for a fucking thing of filters.
Oh shit! All right. Fuck! All right.
You can get the kettle on your own. The kettle and the grinder are the expensive.
Yeah, fuck it. Yes, fucking send me links on Amazon.
Sure, yeah, dude. I will do that. But I will send you the coffee and the dripper and the filters to your thing.
Fuck, dude, I appreciate you.
And then I will link you. I will link you. I know you got to go to work, but I'll link you. Oh shit! I'll have to download them from TikTok. because you will not watch them on TikTok.
No, fair. Oh, no. All good. Like I have a few friends who have like the proper pour over everything. So like I know a bunch of different ways to make coffee. I just haven't had the stuff because it just hasn't mattered.
It will matter when you have coffee of that caliber and you have it in your mouth. And I don't know, your poop was pretty quick. I never could poop that fast, but like, read that anaerobic thing, and you'll be like, "What?"
My morning poops are my morning poops are morning poops.
Nice. All of my poops are long and ridiculous and on my phone.
Yeah, man. All right.
I also have a toddler or a preschooler to avoid, so
yeah, fair enough.
I adore my child, but sometimes
the
bathroom is where you got to get your private time, man.
Yeah, dude, I get that. Dude, fucking yeah, keep going to this shit and then try to get some sleep because I am sure you fucking need it.
Oh, I'm exhausted, man, but I'm dead ass gonna get this figured out, and then I'm gonna be like, I'm taking the rest of the day off.
All right, dude.
Cool.
I'll ping you in a bit.
Sounds good, man. Take care, bye. Oh, nice. We have all kinds of things. No, I think we're kind of making some progress, right? Ah. Yeah. Nice. Oh, sorry. If anybody's watching the stream, which I don't think they are, I'm not being particularly interesting in explaining what I'm doing right It says one person's watching. So, hi, person that's watching. Hi, how are you? Doing all kinds of fun stuff here. Hey, how's it going? Hello, hello.
Hello.
Danger Bay. What's up, man?
Hey, hey, nice to
Hi.
meet you.
Pleasure to meet you as well.
Sorry?
A pleasure to meet you as well.
Yes. So you work at HashiCorp, right?
I do indeed. But I'm here in my personal capacity. I'm also, just so you're aware, you just jumped in the voice chat, but I'm streaming something right now, trying to fix a particular problem that is for a customer environment, but I'm just doing like a repro kind of thing, if that makes sense. Yeah, how are you doing today?
I've a problem
Yeah?
about Ansible AWX Tower.
What was that?
Can I share screen?
Oh,
Can you help me?
I'm sorry, man. I'm not in a situation to help anybody with anything right now, dude. I'm working on my own
Oh,
projects. I'm on a deadline. I gotta have this thing done hours ago. So, I mean,
okay.
I'm here. I'm here doing my own work right now. And if you want to like just talk and like hang out while we both
Oh,
work together, that's cool. But I'm not in a position to stop doing what I'm doing. Normally, I'm the
oh,
one who's like all about like, oh yeah, sure, let's see what you got going on. But I gotta take care of number one before I take care of number two. You know.
okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't need to apologize, man. No offense taken, and you know I'm. Uh,
Working now?
what was that?
Are you working now?
Yeah. I've been working through the night for a particular thing to try to try to figure out something to help out our account team on a customer that's being particularly difficult. You know.
Where are you come from? Where are you from, Bill Hawking?
I am in Eastern Washington in the United States. Where are you from?
Oh, United States. I'm from Indonesia. Did you know?
I did not know.
Do you know Bali?
Do I know where Malaysia is? Yes, I just did not know that you were from Malaysia until you told me.
I'm sorry, I can't speak English fluently.
You don't need to apologize. We'll have difficulty understanding each other, and
Yeah,
we'll both learn about each other's culture, and we'll both become friends, and it's all good, man. It's all
yeah,
good. So, you say did you say like French? Is French what is spoken there?
yes. I have friends in front of me. Is this new forum or hello?
What say again?
Is this new forum?
Say again.
Is this new forum?
Is this is this a new Discord server? No, we've been around for years. This is the like if you look on the Discord, you know, like listing of servers about DevOps, I think we're like number 2 one. But if you go to the number one, and it might have more people in it, but it's far less active and far less vibrant. And we're a pretty tight knit crew around here, man. We help each other out. We do a lot of you know, pure directed learning, and there's a lot of great material here, man. It's if that's what you're trying to do for a career, you definitely landed in the right spot.
Oh, I see, I see. To sharing knowledge, yeah. you using Ubuntu or CentOS?
Say again.
Are you using Ubuntu or CentOS?
I do not use CentOS. I am a I only use Ubuntu LTS.
Oh, Ubuntu LTS.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What version?
LTS is 2004 right now.
20, right? 20.
20.04.03 is
Oh,
or
oh.
what is it? Xennial? No, it's is it Xennial?
Yeah, same with me.
Yeah,
I'm
Xennial, I
using
think.
LTS.
Yeah, 1804 was Bionic. When you're as old as me, you just lose track. It just kind of happens.
But I'm not use Ubuntu for every day. I'm use it for VM in VirtualBox to make something.
Ugh.
I share a picture
Yes, sir.
to this.
What was that?
Can I say? Can I upload a picture to this discussion?
I do not know. I do not know if you have the privilege. Like on the server, you gain experience by participating, and you have to hit like level 2 or 3 or something before it'll let you post pictures. You could always use like image UR or any other like image sharing service to wrap it up with the URL. But no offense, I'm just like I'm in the zone. I'm wired in right now. I actually probably should hop off this voice chat. And normally I would be able to spend more time and hang out more and kick it and stuff, but I got other stuff I gotta do, man. So but I hope that you stick around, and I hope that after I get all of my work done today, that you're still around. I could get to hang out with you and get to know you better. Okay.
Okay.
Well, have a great day. My neck and my back. I'm gonna stop streaming now, I guess.